Hello everyone. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in today's additional of the newspaper, daily newspaper on a Monday, June the 29th, 2020. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always a 4 O's and a 4 ones. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones now, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1 and there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then I need O here. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then I cannot continue. Let me think. Yeah, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then do I need to compare? Yeah. 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Come on. It's taking too long. Oh, do I have an oh here? No. Alright. 101. Do I have a 101 here? No. 1, 2. Strange. It's very strange. I cannot continue. Well. Let me compare with this column and that column. 1, 1, empty box. 1, 1. 1, 1. Empty box. So I need to switch this digit and that digit. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. Double O here and 1. Oh, we have 4 O's here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, there an O. Then Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O, so the rest are ones. And then I need to compare again. I think 101. Yes. This column and the second column. Empty box 1 1 0 0. Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch this digit and that digit. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. You need to think for this binary puzzle. You like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one. So see you. Bye bye for now.